الحمد لله وكفاه والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. As we are approaching the festive season that is celebrated by the non-Muslim, normally this question pops up in the minds of many Muslims. What is our role concerning these festive activities, celebrations, and well-wishing? For us to understand, when Rasulullah ﷺ made hijrah from Makkah Mukarramah and went to Medina Munawwarah, on arriving there, the Muhajirin noticed that the people were celebrating there were two festivals they were celebrating. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam approached the Ansar and asked them, what are these 2 days? And they mentioned these are 2 days that we should celebrate in the days of ignorance. After a while, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam was silent, and after a while, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam informed them that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed this ummah with 2 days in the place of those days, and that is the Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, which we then celebrate with food, with being with the family, and having the best of times and keeping the family together. From this we understand participation in celebrations that belongs to other customs, un-Islamic, and has an un-Islamic tinge to it, one should refrain from it. But what is the situation when you have neighbors, colleagues, co-workers, and people you associate with, or even family that are not Muslim who are celebrating? This question pops out: is it permissible for us to wish them well in this circumstance? To explain it, one is to wish them well over their festivity, and in the most clear way, one should explain to them, we differ, but we wish you all well over your festivities or your festive season that you people are going through, wishing them well, in a way trying to refrain from the mentioning of Christmas or the mentioning of New Year. Give a general well-wishing to them and praying for goodness for them over this period and safety. This is a duty of a neighbor, a co-worker, in the same manner as they wish us well when we have our festivity. But participation and acceptance of it, that we should refrain from, because this is not our festivities. Allah has blessed us with those that we celebrate, and we should feel happy on those days. These are the festivals of those that are not part of Islam. Wish them well, but do not become such that you celebrate it or encourage it or promote it in any way. Jazakumullah khair wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.